How's it going? My name is Aguilar, and in this video, we're going to be learning a fun variation of the Punta, Talon, y Giro. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with some montuno. Here we go. 5, 6, son montuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, punta, talón, y giro. So what's going to happen is I'm going to use that right foot to start it off by going punta, talón, punta, talón, punta, talón, punta, talón. Then son montuno. 1, 2, 3. Switch it to the other side now. Here we go. I go punta, talón, punta, talón, punta, talón, punta, talón, y son montuno. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right. So let's try this. Nice and slow. Punta, talón, y giro. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Switch other side. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly twisting your hips the moment you're about to do the talón, but a quarter to your right each time. Check it out. I'm gonna go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, punta, talón, and giro. Here we go. So I go 1, twist, quarter to my right. Punta, talón. See what I'm saying? The moment you use that talón, you twist quarter to your right. Woo, right? And 3. Yeah, nice and easy. Vice versa. If I'm here, punta, talón, quarter turn. Punta, quarter turn. Punta, quarter, punta, quarter. It's going to make it so much easier. The hands can be used as well to kind of help you maneuver around a little bit faster. But I will say it's more the hips, all right? So let's try this in halftime music, and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, son montuno. 1, 2, 3. Punta, talón, y giro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, punta, talón, y giro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude us for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Aguilar. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.